channel where I have 18,000 subscribers, but what's interesting is when you see a new channel and there's not many people on the channel, sometimes people tend to not say anything. They don't want to give, because they think the channel's too small or whatever the reason is. But we've got to get some momentum. Okay, I built another big channel. I'll give you guys access to that, but we need engagement on this channel. Okay, so I need you guys to please tell me who you are. Again, my name's Jimmie Williams. I'm in the Atlanta, Georgia area. I do real estate and finance. That's me. I've been doing this since about 2009, 2010, and I'm really good at it. And I'm here to help you guys, to serve you. But I can't serve you if no one talks and doesn't say anything. So tell me who you are if you can, if you're open to that. Introduce yourself and tell me what you're trying to do and what can I do to help you. Any questions for me, guys? Any questions? Any questions for me? Any real estate related questions for me? Arlene, are you okay? Sorry about that, guys. Any questions for me? Hey, guys, I'm here. If you're on, you see me. Any questions for me? Any questions for me? Any real estate related questions for me, guys? I'm here to take questions. I will kind of sit here and wait for you guys. I'm online here. And sometimes you got to wait an hour or two for somebody to respond back. But while you're doing that, I will be doing something else. Any real estate questions for me, guys? Anything about you? If you have a property, you want a question about how to sell that property, or you're looking to buy property, tell me where you are, what location you're in, and I can help. Any question, it doesn't matter. Only question that's a bad question is the one that's not asked, okay? If you need real estate coaching, I do have a coaching class. I mentor from newbies all the way up to the very, very seasoned investors and realtors or real estate professionals. Any questions for me, guys? I'll be just sitting here working while you guys are deciding if you have a question for me. Any real estate related questions, I want to answer them, but you got to ask them. Raise your hand if you want to go. If you want to attend the meeting I'm having today. I have a meeting chat filter. Hold on a second. Top messages. Right. I have a meeting today, guys, at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we're going to be sharing how you can get up to $500,000 in business capital for your real estate business. All right. All you have to do is go to agescashmachine.com and register. Any questions for me? Any questions for me, guys? Here. Hey, guys, any questions for me? Any questions? Any questions for me, guys? Hey, guys, any real estate related questions for me? I got to go in a few minutes here, but I've been just sitting here waiting for questions to be answered, to be asked. What is this?